let me fight justice for my brother. So what happened to my brother? Now it be this. On the 18th of December, my brother come my house. You know they sick, nothing they do. All of
Where your
us.
brother picture? Where your brother picture? Send me. Tell me your brother picture.
I'll send that for you.
No, that WhatsApp channel, so you can't comment on it. But you any video I post there, you will be seeing it. You can't comment on it.
So if I don't send that for you.
Can I brother be this one so?
Yes.
Wait, so they come. Okay. Continue now, they hear you.
Okay, so on the 18th of December, my brother come, he reached my house. So for my house, he can't go in lawyer place because on the 19th, he want go commission. So he can't go in lawyer place. As he go in lawyer place, he can't go collect paper. We want to go commission the next day. So me and my brother, we they talk. You know they sick, nothing they do am because he dey camp for Torino. As he new come outside for deportation camp, because lawyer can't work, I can't enter camp made for fight in documents. So on 21, he call me. Say he does send more than money for Christmas. Because if I say me does he give her a bag of rice. My brother not they sick. On 23, because me I be next tech, I dey busy this Christmas period. Everybody knows say you they do hairdresser and at this period everybody take they find money. On 23, my brother can't call me. Say they say me come out for camp. Now say na like you know they not say me you come on. Where you want for come out for camp? Now you they find go call your lawyer and a lawyer put you for camp. Call her. So my brother not call me back. When the next day me can't wait, he not call me back on 24. I begin to call my brother. If I call her, he go say sister wait, I'll call you back. He go end call. So I call the day worried because if I call her, the place the day noisily. I know the two they hear with you. Say sister wait, I'll call you back. He go end the call. Me, I can't call. The same thing. I can't relax. As he say, when I call me back, me can't relax. So on 25, let me call your girlfriend. The girl there gentle. Let me call your girlfriend. Say, make me ask her whether he here for my brother. As I call his girlfriend, now the girl tell me say, he with my brother I see for Verona yesterday. So I can't ask the girl, how my brother tell this Verona, what he go do for Verona? He say, no. I can't say no problem. So
stop writing for 4 years. Stop writing for 4 years. So we don't even know what they write. We will not follow that they write 4. What is 4? No, what is be 4? What is 4? Somebody the third story for how to listen on the right with I don't even understand. What is 4? If you write 7 years, they will block you. Yeah, not be comedy platform. We get when we take the laugh. This is a very sensitive issue, please.
So, bros, so on 25, I can't call the girl. The girl can tell me, say, he see my brother for Verona. Say, my brother even day road. If they come inside, they want to do Christmas together. All my hope is that my brother, they go in girlfriend place. I can't relax. Me, I can't just continue with my busy. People, when I book appointments, I they busy, they work. So, I not call them.
Yes.
As he got there on the 3rd of January, early morning, the guy you call me. As he called me the morning, he say, sister, he say, whether if a get resident for Padova, I can't say resident. And I can say I'm not sure because he don't say now Padova my brother for do camp. He don't say he come out for camp for Padova. I'm not sure he get asked for Padova. I don't know. I can say I don't know that he get resident. She can't they ask me. Now me call they ask her. Why you they ask? He said no, me I know me I tell. I can say no, I'm not sure. Later I can say now they for do camp. I don't know that residency they there. Then she can send me articles online. Say a Nigeria man was found dead in train station. So I begin to scream. Now my husband come they ask, wetin happen? Now my husband come collect the phone from my hand. Come they ask the girl, wetin happen? The guy say, na my brother friend. Now he send the articles online for her. You understand? So now my husband come say, how my brother even take comot for Torino for the first time? Who be the people? The guy begin to say, na my brother friend, and they control my brother go Verona. Then my husband say, okay, give me the guy number. Bros, since around 8 o'clock in the morning, we begin to call this boy, Inena Kelly. We begin to call. Yes, I get a picture. We begin to call this Kelly number. We call from that around 8 o'clock till in the afternoon. This boy not the pick. So when it around 9, my husband calls him say, may I go questionnaire? May I go report, say, I dey find my brother. May they help me check whether something like this it really happened, because the articles online where they show me my brother picture, in name, not the articles online. They only said a Nigerian old man was found dead. So it can't get complicated somehow. So 9 months say, may I go Carabinieri office? I can't really go. When I reach there, Torino Carabinieri, they can't help me call Padova. We say na Padova, na anything for happen. They can't help me call Padova. They check everywhere. They not see anything like that. So now Calabria called them say, may I donation my brother as missing person? Because that day, I think it was on Saturday. So now they call say, may I donation my brother as missing person? So the next on Monday, me anyhow they work out for the investigation, they will let me know. So I can't really go house. Before me come out, me can call that the same guy around after 12 to 1. As I call the boy, I can't feel like may I pretend, may not know, say I don't already hear anything. Now I take call the boy. As I y'all call and say, bros, Alpha.
More are they gift, more are they power tap, more are they
show love. As I just call the guy and say, bros, Alpha, you see FA, the first thing, this boy not know me for anybody. The first thing, you have to say you the craze, FA dey my nose. As you just say you the craze, FA dey my nose, the boy come and call. Now there, now I make a fuck on the feel say something bad don't happen to my brother. So I can't call house. When me reach house, I can't tell my husband. Then my husband say, okay, make him call the guy by himself. Then my husband use in your phone, take call the boy. So God was so kind, I can't quick put my phone for record. Can't they record waiting the guy they tell my husband. Now my husband can't ask the guy, Kelly, where in-law? Wetin happen? The boy begin to talk, say, now he control my brother come out for Torino. Say, as they reach Torino, to Verona, as he reach Verona, say, now he give am something, may he start street, he can't they do, he can't gather, he can't tell us he want to go carry apartment. So he can't tell us if he they come, may he bring the money. So, say that day, that on the first, so, which is unusual day, now him, Kelly, now he buy food when they eat. So after they don't eat finish, he there with woman come meet her. Now he can't tell my brother, say, may he follow his friend, they go house. Say, I can't wait till his friend tell her, say, when they dey inside train, my brother call they say, belle they pay now. After they don't eat finish. My brother call they say, belle they pay now. His friend call they ask and say, now hungry, my brother say, no. Wait till come me belle they pay you. So, Kelly friend come they tell Kelly now say when they come down for train, my brother come they fall. He come fall 4 times. As he fall 4 times, say now he come go back. What did my brother Matt? He can't collect him.
What did they Matt?
Me not know. Now waiting now this waiting they talk. Let me they explain for you so bros. Say waiting then my brother Matt say he can't collect him. As he collect him, he can they try to collect my brother phone. So say my brother can't hold his phone. That husband say, okay, even if they try to collect, if why you know what use your phone first take call police. Take call ambulance. Me ambulance come. Say as the boy collect my brother, he can't they try to collect my brother not agree release his phone. Then the boy tell leave my brother, he can't run back, he can't ride basco come out. As this boy come out go house, he not tell anybody say my brother fall for train station. According to them, the house where they dey from downstairs to the upstairs, na Nigerian people fuller. They not tell anybody say Marvelous don't fall for road. The boy can't go house, he can't go lie down. Person when he with her, they go house where they want go sleep, e not tell anybody, say no fit waka follow her, they can't leave am. Now the
Wait, oh.
next day,
All these boys, so you get their pictures.
yes, I get all of that picture.
His
So
girlfriend, you still get a picture.
yes.
Yeah.
So now the next day, now people when they pass the train station, they come see my brother. He don't die for train station. So now my husband come, they say, okay, una don't go police station. They say no. Me can call your girlfriend. Okay, this kind of thing happen. You don't go police station. The guy say no. Say he don't call your mama for Nigeria. May help her go native doctor. May they check whether na my brother die. Now them because the girl call the quarter. I can't tell the girl say they talk about life and death. You say you want to call your mother when you in Nigeria. May help you go native doctor. May you first go police station for that una side. May you know. Small time the Kelly now my husband can't see call and the Kelly can't see my husband calm down. Say they want to do autopsy. May they know wetin kill my brother. Not knowing that all this thing that they talk, so nobody go native doctor. Sorry, nobody go police station, go find out wetin kill my brother. May they even come present themselves, say they know this boy when they carry their body for train station. Nobody come outside. So as he come there 3:30, now my husband come call the Kelly, say, Kelly, Alpha, the autopsy results, how na can't do? The boy come tell my husband, say him family member must stay there. So around 4:00, me come buy fast train ticket for Torino to Verona. Before me reach Verona, they already dark. So when me reach there, you get one man, when he get the bar, they say na the man, I be their godfather. So the man call me, I can't go there, they explain all the whole thing for me. So on Monday, now I can't take go police station for the Australia. I reach Australia, they tell me say my brother dead body, he not dead there. Say na Matova, now he carry the dead body. Now say I take go Matova. As I go Matova, I can't see that. I don't see the dead body now because they need to do some investigation to know wetin by my brother. They know if you just say me I go see. I say George, not let anybody take to see her. Now I give them the information. They can't ask me some questions. I can't tell them. So the reason to make me come outside now say the Nigeria Association may they can't help me because it don't when I don't go give this information to police. Up till now, I never hear for them whether the matter. Sir?
That's what police will be for Europe. So up till now, whether
the matter, how the country they do the thing, whether because now black hole. Up till now, I never hear. The only people with me they communicate with now the mortuary because I can't go the mortuary where my brother day after about on the 8th I be on the 9th. I can't go the mortuary.
Now you see your brother for example.
Yes. They can't let me go see my brother. Yes, they can't let me see and they don't do the autopsy. The result don't come outside. So that make me say. They never dispose with Kpai for me, bros, because they say a lot of investigation they go on. So they not tell me what Kpai my brother.
Okay.
You understand? So now make I say, may Nigeria Association, may they can't help me.
How old is your brother?
But he real age. I be the age when he gets for his documents.
He real age.
He real age. This Jew supposed to make man of 28 years. Now 27 years he did now.
How which years did they claim for?
He they claim 31 years. Because he enter Europe as teenager. So he can put himself as adult when he enter.
Okay. See, this matter a very sensitive issue. Number one thing, you know, they not put math now. Police is involved. Police the craze. Be say not put math. Police is involved.
Are you killer? Shall be not put math.
Now so they do the thing. Now talk because of police. Now so they tell me 3 days. My brother done this on the 2nd.
Wait. You see one thing, when we black, then they go back for Europe. May God not let us go back. Now this fear of police. Someone died in the country where system for the work. Till now, They never fit do anything. You dey tell me make I not talk put. No, we all live on like that. Because not be your relative. Not concern you after all. You don't know how they be for body. So police they craze. No, like everybody they do their work. You dey tell me say me I not talk put as how. I beg. Number one, I need the girlfriend WhatsApp number first.
Okay.
The press when they with that day, I need that. The voice recording of when you call it the record the boy without it not know, I need that.
Yes, I'll send everything for you, bros, for your WhatsApp.
Then all those boys when you say 4 reach 4 times.
Yes.
They can't drive bicycle go us. You see what they talking? Are you sure you have friends in life? Now when they watch me so. Not be bad. I say this one of my friend though. If anything happened to you, can they stand? Because assuming say they quick call ambulance, they can quick detect what you do this boy.
Yes. No, mama, not be BP because they say they check and not get BP, not get heart failure.
Not be BP, not be anything.
Wow.
It's either the poison them or something happened that I don't know how to say it here. But with the way and manner in which a girlfriend they send you something, a girlfriend is a number 1 suspect. According to your explanation, a girlfriend is a number 1 suspect. Then all those boys too are also suspects. Because according to what you tell me, they never even write the name of the person.
No, they never write the name. Even when I even go meet them for the bar, because they add the boy say, because me now I can't the doubt say if it not be my brother, the boy will leave my brother for train station. Even come see bring an ask for go say now here if for leave my brother, say now my brother die. If they 100% sure say now he die, say now they for leave her. Maybe not the right market, not be market Kpai, you not swallow anything market. They tear it belly rich ground, tear it chest, then not be markets.
Okay, after you do that, then they call it tear.
Yes, now they take if I send you the video, you'll see they take tear.
No, not send me that one. The only video, when the only evidence that I need from you, now the pictures of those guys where they around them. You get friend, I need their pictures. They can't send me their number.
No problem.
One after the other.
Okay.
Anyone will not respond, I put picture. Because this one not be human, not be goat Kpai, not be fowl Kpai. May police they do their investigation. Maybe they do my own investigation too. If my own can't come out before police own, automatically I am helping the police to do their job easily by bringing my investigations, forward it to you. Says where is it you there for Italy?
I don't already know.
Okay, it will be easier. I still get people there too. Then I know what to do.
Cause na Matova na the case there now.
Yes, I will still need Nina, Cora. I will still need your help for this very particular issue as time goes on. But for now, let's go straight to the investigation.
Okay.
Your brother phone now, cannot see him again.
Even in wallet, the disarmer, everything where they, but when I go mortuary, the only thing when they see give me now this year is so when they in so and they give me. Both in wallet, in phone, it get small bag when my brother they always they carry. They collect everything.
He not born, he get wife and children.
No, but he get one pikin. He not got married, but he get a baby boy.
That one dey Europe for your bidding and
yes, he dey Europe. Yes.
How this boy relate to you?
Na my elder sister son.
Oh, you na your auntie.
Yeah.
Okay. Send me those people. We will start our investigation this night.
No problem.
One after another.
No
Who know that they are collect things for this one body already? Even they don't even put her for mortuary before you even reach there.
He don't
They don't.
yeah, before me even see herself, he don't because he down the second. They not tell me. The girlfriend now go they call people. They go they do their own investigation. They go now the third. Now they can't let me know say my brother don't die. So on the second, now person see their body for trace station when they call ambulance people when they don't already see say they already die. So now the third, now they can't let me know. So I beg, I need Nigeria Association. I need me they stand, me let me fight justice for Marvelous.
All right.
Thank you.
Before we go, they chat justice for Marvelous.
Yes.
They go investigate them. If now waiting they put for math. Now some of those things boss for a belly or na points they poison now because there is a food involved with the gather eat. So
Yes.
how come one person come there, the other one with the gather eat smoke? So this is so not just cry. Now investigation upon investigation.
No
Now we go do.
problem. No problem. Thank you, Pa.
And you don't already get lawyer for this job.
And the lawyer now the lawyer when they fight a document for Torino here, let me be done already fair go meet. So a lot of people they tell me say maybe that lawyer na just document lawyer, not be criminal lawyer. So then
Okay. Your other sister now don't know say picking not there for you.
yes, I don't say her.
Jesus.
So sorry.
Even documents, so document where they see say me mama bring for Africa to take sure say na they my relative. So I don't see do so.
You try. Not easy. Though.
Thank
So
you.
now send me evidence of proof of the girl's picture.
Okay.
As they drop their picture, they drop their nobody follow them one by
No
one.
problem. No problem.
One
Thank
by
you, sir.
one. One.
All right.
Let's
Thank
start
you.
from
Okay,
Alright.
thank you. All right.
These guys power tap for me and share the live stream. You see this level your day so that's why you're view. That's why they talk say be very careful with the kind of friends where you move with. It matters a lot. I remember when I entered Italy that time. Now 3 things that they do when me enter that time. It's either they do shorty or they follow that they do that stone where they put for maso or they do shetro. The category of the kind of people where you meet then will determine out of these 3 jobs the one you want to do.
Get me a call in there. You don't send me a picture.
Make she come now.
You don't send me.
Make she come, we all talk all of them together because I'm that one now.
You for play voice deals.
No, you go come. She will request. Yeah, I know they do all those one again.
Hello.
Anybody will they tell me anybody will they tell me
Hello, my darling, how you doing?
You they call on me.
I did my life already. I did look everything.
You do our live video. See the who watch. Say, what if your name request me?
We don't send the request today. Mona power tap now.
Yeah.
Mona gift oh Mona.
What if your
I know
name?
they laugh. Mona gift.
What if your TikTok name?
Favor calling.
Favor call. Favor calling. Okay, say favor calling.
Mona gift. Mona subscribe to my live go.
Favor calling. On the loop.
And they give una back to back story every day.
Favor calling.
Favor calling. Me that.
See one right now. So don't send that picture. Favor calling.
Oh, they treat the 2 cases at the same time. Case many for hand, but these are very vital and important cases.
Na good evening.
Good evening. Angel, they wait for you for the evidence. So, what do you mean?
Fair call na ever since. And because of my mom make me reach out to na. My mom is when me say she born me on this life. I never one day see her. I never see her once, and she did alive. They born me when they want for Morocco. When they try to go outside country. This
I beg that they come. Wait.
Okay.
Is the boy you never see your mama?
No.
Explain in details.
Yeah, my
How?
daddy, they born me when they travel go Italy for Morocco, then they for take born me. So they
What
can't
year
carry
was
me
that?
come back.
What year? What year?
2004, June
Okay.
2nd, 2004.
Okay.
So they can't carry me come back. Only my mom in a coffee cross. My daddy still stay there with me on that time. So my mommy can't cross. Cause my daddy no fit cross. So after he wait, he come say he no fit cross. He can't give me to person. May they carry me, can't give my mommy mama. So me
Which is
can't
your
date mommy.
grandmother?
Yes, from my mommy side. My daddy wait to for he say whether a year be how many months, himself not fit still cross. So he can need to come back to Nigeria. Then me they stay with my mommy mama. But when I they stay with my mommy mama, I did 6 years. I won't complete 7 when my daddy take carry me. School when they put me that time, I no lie, I don't know anything at that age. I no fit read ABCD. Now for my daddy side, now for telling on those things because then my cousins when they teach me, they beat me well just for me to learn. So now so all those things take me. So my daddy can't travel. I dey sell okra, tomatoes, so my daddy take see me. And I person even sit tell and see what your pikin dey sell for my daddy can't carry me. And the day when we will carry me self now still biscuit na even still you say come make I
Hold
buy
on,
you
hold on,
biscuits.
hold on.
The picture, blog and carry my
I'm gonna screenshot this thing for those of you who never follow me from my WhatsApp channel. I dey see somebody write comment saying that money she can't ask. If you write that nonsense here again, that boy Abigail, I will block you. I don't know what you they make you they laugh.
No man dey finish your money. If na your money, story go touch people heart to tell. Now what for now? What for you?
I don't know what they worry some of you now.
Person cry come and say never see.
And all these people not be my fans.
You dey laugh.
When I come off